Toyota is about taking care of our customer.
I think it's what differentiates us from the competition.
The safety culture has been a game changer.
We have the tools to see problems before they impact the customer in a negative way.
It's all about quality. Work is both more efficient and it's safer.
And I tell people all the time, it's just a really good way to do business. We've transitioned from a traditional forklift dealership to a solutions provider as it relates to material handling.
Something that we say is that you should turn your shop into a showcase.
I get accused of being a little OCD.
It borders on OCD, I think.
Who wouldn't want to come work in a shop that clean and organized, right?
We just want to make sure that we deliver this top-notch quality. 5S is the standard, the Toyota principle in which the dealership operates. ASEC is a survey using those principles.
For dealers, it's not just a grading system. It's given me the tools to be successful in what I do.
We have 122 questions and they need a 90% to pass. Previously, we were doing a glorified Excel spreadsheet. To prep that spreadsheet for grading, it would take 3 to 5 business days. Using safety culture, we're doing surveys now in about a day and a half. We're looking for over 100 different SOPs, about 80 different pictures. Safety culture is a single source for all of our dealers to upload these documents.
I can reference something and pull it up in a heartbeat. How we used to gather all that information up, I get a zip file in the mail, and then you're several emails back and forth. Things can get lost.
Filed it on the shared drive, never looked at it again.
You can communicate through there.
It's easier to give them quicker feedback. And where it's outside the standard, now we can put our time and our focus on countermeasuring that issue.
We haven't had to make as many trips to be on site, so we saved over 1,000 man-hours the first year. We're also sharing access with Japan, and they can see where every dealer's at. Any company you talk to that gets their ROI back in year 1 is pretty happy. When it comes to ASEC grading, the biggest challenge we have is standardization.
Every 3 years, that certification is going to come up.
I need to score it the same way every time.
Now that we can actually see it, it's created an avenue for us to challenge them on their consistency.
And they're helping us ask better questions.
Whether we need to do something different to improve the process or they do, it's just helped improve the ASIC certification. Well, they say that 5S, sustain, is the hardest one of all.
Because now you've got it set the way it's supposed to be. The hard part is you've got to keep doing it day in and day out. That's where you get the gains.
Safety culture helps develop daily management and visual management.
So there's a lot of internal reflection that's starting to happen.
In about 2 hours, we can have a van loaded. We got it down that smooth.
The culture has changed. It's kind of a competition thing too, right? They want to beat the last guy that got the highest score. Heck yeah, I'll take those small incremental improvements.
And that's what I love about this collaboration between us, our dealer network, and safety culture is we all want the same thing. We're all trying to improve our practices and be better. So it drives revenue for the dealership and it drives more time and attention back to your customers.
That's good. The benefits are just outstanding. They're just outstanding.